Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're drawing a beautiful Bharatanatyam dance pose. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills and balance. For today's artistry trivia, who is considered the pioneer of the revival of Bharatanatyam in the 20th century? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get to drawing a joyous Bharatanatyam dance pose. Let's start with placing the head. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to keep the balance of the sketch in check, as this dance form requires a lot balance to perform. These are most helpful in understanding balance of the human body in action. Make sure you draw the proportions correctly, as well as it will make your sketch look more harmonious. The left arm is in perspective, so use simple forms to visualize the arm, which we can draw in perspective like cylinder. The other arm is outstretched above the head, so draw it likewise. Now erase the line slightly. After that, let's get started on the details of the character, as this is a traditional dance form, so draw the details accordingly. The right hand is in the Sinh Mukh Mudra. Details like the sari, the ornaments add to the beauty of this art form, so make sure to draw them carefully. Pause the video and take your time to add details. These poses help in understanding the human figures better, as there's a flow to these poses. Bharatanatyam is a classical Indian dance form originating from Tamil Nadu, characterized by intricate footwork and expressive storytelling. It combines elements of rhythm, melody, and dramatic performance to convey emotions and narratives with grace and precision. Pay attention while adding detail to the face, as this art form put a majority of emphasis on the expression and the eyes of the artist. Also try and study where to use thin strokes and thick strokes, as it is very important to enhance the final sketch. And there we have it, a beautiful Bharatanatyam dance pose. As you get better at these sketches, try and decrease the time you take to draw these poses, as time sketches improve your observation skills as to which line to draw and which can be omitted. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match ours, just keep on practicing, because practice makes perfect. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Rukmini Devi Arundale, considered the pioneer of the revival of Bharatanatyam in the 20th century, known for her efforts to elevate the status of Indian classical dance and establish it as a respected art form globally. She founded Kalakshetra, an institution dedicated to the preservation and promotion of Indian arts and culture, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of dance. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.